What is MLOps? Large language models are transforming software. But deploying them reliably in production is a serious engineering challenge. That is where MLOps comes in. MLOps stands for Large Language Model Operations. It is a set of practices, tools, and workflows for deploying, monitoring, and maintaining large language model applications in production environments. Think of it as MLOps, but specifically designed for the unique challenges of large language models. Traditional MLOps focuses on model training, versioning, and serving. MLOps extends this to cover prompt management, retrieval augmented generation pipelines, token cost optimization, hallucination monitoring, and model fine-tuning workflows. MLOps also includes evaluation frameworks. Because LLM outputs are text, evaluating quality is fundamentally different from evaluating a classification model. Teams need ways to measure relevance, accuracy, tone, and safety at scale. Tools in the MLOps ecosystem include LangChain, Llama Index, Moveflow, Weights and Biases, and cloud-native AI platforms. The role of an MLOps engineer is emerging as one of the most sought-after positions in AI right now. It combines software engineering, machine learning knowledge, and an understanding of how large language models behave. As organizations move from AI experiments to AI products, MLOps is the discipline that makes that transition reliable. If you work in AI, machine learning, or cloud engineering, MLOps is a critical area to develop skills in. The demand is growing rapidly across every major market.